Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Kumari and I am a product owner here at Docket, and I'm excited to tell you about our new feature, AI line item extraction. The problem we set out to solve is that many of you have vendors who send invoices that needs to be separated into multiple splits and coded per line item. Instead of manually coding these invoices when they come in, you can enable certain vendors to have in their invoices automatically separated and coded per line item. So when an invoice comes in from that vendor, you can easily view the line items split out by each item. The amounts will be there and they will be coded with the correct chart of accounts as we continue to learn and improve. I'm really excited about this feature and I think this will be a great help to all of you who receives invoices that have multiple line items and needs to be coded differently. This feature is part of our advanced and enterprise plans. If you are on any other plan, please reach out to our sales representative who can assist you in upgrading your plan and gain access to this feature. Thank you everyone.